Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: mergers and acquisitions of power companies, solar related tenders, renewable project updates. Coming to the details. Apraava Energy has acquired 49% equity stake in Kohima Marine Transmission Limited from Kalpataru Power Transmission Limited and Techno Electrical and Engineering Company Limited. Ahmedabad-based startup incubation center iCreate has facilitated an investment partnership worth $300 million between Charge Place Zone and Gujarat government to set up 50,000 electric vehicle charging stations across the country. Under the collaboration, a network of 10,000 unmanned and app-driven charging stations will be set up on the national and state highways within Gujarat and scale it up to over 50,000 charging stations to cover pan-India. Vedanta has acquired Nicomet, a leading nickel and cobalt producer which is based in Goa. The acquisition is in line with Vedanta's ESG mission and is a big step towards supporting India's carbon neutrality goals. The Kagal Municipal Council Maharashtra has invited bids to design, engineering, supply, installation, testing and commissioning an aggregate capacity of 1.1 megawatt of rooftop solar projects at various locations. The successful bidder must set up and commission the solar project within 6 months from the award of the work. The vendor will also have to take care of maintenance activities of the project for 15 years. The last date to submit the bids is January 7, 2022. Bids will be opened on January 10th. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited Haridwar has invited bids from the contractors for operation and maintenance of 5 megawatt solar power project at its heavy electricals equipment plant in Haridwar, Uttarakhand. The last date to submit bids is December 28, 2021. Bids will be opened on the same day. Waaree Energies has supplied 390 watt power mono PERC solar modules for a project developed by AMP Energy India. The size of the project is 2.4 megawatt located at Kochi Metro Rail Limited Depot in Aluva district of Kerala. The Rajasthan High Court ordered Hindustan Salt Limited to refrain from any further action to set up the 4000 megawatt solar plant in Sambar Lake in view of the environmental damage and ecological imbalance the project would create. Renew Power has commissioned 300 megawatt Solar Energy Corporation of India 6 solar project, pushing the company's total operating capacity to its highest ever of 7.4 gigawatt. The Maharashtra Electricity Regulatory Commission has authorized the Maharashtra State Power Generation Company Limited and Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company Limited to procure 250 megawatt of solar power at 2 rupees 51 paisa per unit from Tata Power Saurya, a subsidiary of Tata Power. Additional news today: 87 thermal power plants are running with critical coal stock. Power Ministry invests 35,628.6 crore in infrastructure development up till November in financial year 2021-22. Tata Power Delhi Distribution installs over 1400 electric vehicle chargers in Delhi NCR region. Price discovery at Power Exchange. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 167.35 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night, 2 rupees 11 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day, 3 rupees 73 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening, 5 rupees 29 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock, 3 rupees 92 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 4 rupees 27 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network and the prices are uniform in all the regions. In green day ahead market, 3.87 million units of volume cleared with weighted average price of 4 rupees 39 paisa per unit. Thank you and good day.